Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on Webex Smart Audio, meaning that you can turn on the noise removal and optimization of your own voice functions on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Tap on audio and video. Scroll down till you find the Webex Smart Audio function, so click on it. And then two other subcategories will appear to you, or functions such as noise removal or optimize for my voice. Here, if you click on the About Webex Smart Audio, you are going to see the description of these two functions. As it says, the noise removal means that it removes all background noises when you are at a meeting. And Optimize for my voice is removes all background noise and background speech. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.